Okay, here's the way to Boomtown Casino RV Park. We're in the Tiffin, and we gotta go to 46BA, and we're taking 110 south. And I'll show you how a professional driver does this. Or, on the other hand, if I get the turn wrong, I'll embarrass myself. But I've done this a few times, so I figured I'd go ahead and get it on video.
Take exit 46A, on right, then keep left.
Here's one of our exits. And of course, I got cars surrounding me. I got to move over one left lane, and there we go, 110 south. That's where we're going. And it's a sharp turn. And that's what
Left onto I-110 south.
we'll go ahead and kill the navigation, because I don't need it anyway.
To I-110 south.
Okay. Here's our 20-mile-an-hour flipper turn. 110 south. And we're about 2 miles from the casino. I'll just let the camera run. Maybe you can watch us pull into the RV park. Probably. Okay, now we're headed for the Gulf of Mexico, Biloxi. It's, what is it, Friday night, and it's 5:46. Delberville is a good gas stop, and there's a liquor store there. We're not stopping. That's Odie's. You can start to see the casinos here. Yeah, it's plenty busy. Over the bridge, you can start to see Boomtown on the left. That's the IP casino. On the close left, and then straight ahead is the Beau Rivage. The Boomtown Casino RV Park is, I guess, just on the outskirts of Biloxi. Any rate, that's where we're heading. Bayview Avenue. Yep. Coming to spend their paychecks. Oh, we're going through on Yeller. See, I'm in the proper lane already. I don't know if you can see that semi parked off to the right, but if you want to dry camp, you can park in the I-10 casino parking lot. We're going where there's full hookups. Crystal knows the code, so she's gonna get out and open the gate for us. I'll be making a wide turn, kind of hogging the whole street. It's not too far, we're almost there. Almost there, the other side of this building. Turn here because I'm turning right. Crystal's gonna let us in.
Let this guy go by.
Yeah, I can't. He's at a stop sign anyway, so. Okay, we're here. I get halfway turned here. Okay. We're arriving. Gate's going up. Are you coming in?
What are you doing?
Hop in, I'm gonna drive around and get there. Unless you want to direct me.
Well, no, since you made me get in.
Yeah, the only way I can go is this way.
All right.
We are in Site 7. Gosh.
Slow down.
Here's another good one. Gotta slow down for the bump. Another bump. Man, they need to repave this sucker. Okay. We're in Site 7, so I gotta make sure I get parked right. Otherwise, they'll charge you for 2 sites.
We need to come around the other way.
I don't think so.
7 is over here.
Yes.
Yeah. What are you
So-
gonna go all the way around and pull through?
Which one's 7?
Right there. So we're on this side.
No, 7's right here.
Yeah, we're on this side.
I'm gonna need the map. Anyhow, we're here.